people, after long I feel like doing a product review, and that review is for Lakme 925 primer plus matte nail color. Whatever you do in your life, never go near a matte finish nail polish, because then the effect will be like this. I know it's, you'll need to shield your eyes because the color is so bright, but I mean, forget about the color being bright. Yeah, it is very garish. It is very like no, there are colors that are bright but look nice. You know, they look almost classy. But I spent so much money on this. But look at the, you would think I bought this for like 10 rupees or something. I mean, I have cosmetics that aren't so costly, but they look nice. And then there are these expensive type products you buy, and with this comical effect. No, see, normally I give very glowing reviews for everything, and that's why my dad says, "What is with you? Why do you keep praising everything?" But when things are good, I really praise them. But when you spend your hard-earned money on something that gives you such a khatarnak effect, you realize that you know, the maybe the matte finish is not good. You should go for the nail polish that shines. You know, I really thought matte will be very sober and subdued, except that this doesn't particularly look sober and subdued, and it's so messy also. But really, so people, for all the girls out there, if you're like ever buying a nail polish, make sure not to buy the matte variety, buy the nail polish shine variety, I think. And yeah, Lakme is a good brand, and the 100 bucks Lakme, yeah, you buy something for 200 bucks, 400 bucks, and it's just a waste of precious money. So really, people, so on that note, it's almost a 2-minute video. Something's wrong with me these days. I'm making long videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.